How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking your time for tuning into my video. And now the next thing, of course, is a shameless plug from my new channel, Boomer Tactical. I want to thank everybody that watches this channel that has gone over to that channel, but also the new subscribers to that channel too as well. Yesterday alone, the Boomer Tactical channel got over 200 new subscribers, and that's just amazing to me. Last Wednesday, there was over 300 new subscribers to that channel. And of course, that coincides with my Workbench Wednesday videos, which I will be posting a new video on the Boomer Tactical channel tomorrow because it's Workbench Wednesday. And just to give a quick hint of what the firearm is going to be, it's right here in this little box. This tiny little box. But it's a unique firearm that you don't see a lot of. It's not worth a ton of money, but like I said, it's just something that's unique. And if you haven't watched any of the videos on the Boomer Tactical channel or subscribed to the channel, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can click on it, watch the videos, and subscribe if you'd like. On May 31st, 2020, officers of the Lakeland, Florida Police Department petitioned for a risk protection order under the state's red flag law. And in these cases here in Florida, they keep the person's name anonymous. They refer to the person as EP. Officers took EP into custody and seized his firearms and ammunition. The ex parte order served on EP instructed him that the hearing on the final risk protection order, or RPO, was scheduled on June 12, 2020 at 2 p.m. in the court facility located at 255 North Broadway Avenue in Bartow, Florida. The date, time, and place were confirmed on June 3rd by the police department's attorney, and again in a court notice prior to June 12th. EP presented himself at the appointed date and place at 1:30 p.m. and waited until 3 o'clock. He testified he was not let into the courtroom, nor was he aware that the hearing would take place virtually, or how to attend. In fact, the hearing was held as a remote video conferencing event, and without notice to the change to EP. And in that hearing, the court determined incorrectly that EP had elected not to attend and entered a risk protection order against him. EP was prohibited from having custody and control of, or purchasing, possessing, or receiving, or attempting to purchase or receive a firearm or ammunition up to a year, and was required to surrender any guns or ammunition not already in the custody of the police to law enforcement. And this isn't too surprising because according to a report analyzing RPO cases in Florida, 2 Florida counties found that such petitions were overwhelmingly likely to result in an order against the defendant, and with judges granting orders in 90% of the cases, and fewer than 2 in 10 respondents had been represented by counsel. These proceedings are civil in nature, so respondents aren't eligible for assistance from public defense lawyers. EP appealed the order against him on the basis that it was made without giving him an opportunity to appear or notice that the proceedings would take place by means other than those designated in the court's official documents. The state law in Florida mandates that the court must issue a notice of hearing to the affected person and may issue a final order upon notice and a hearing on the matter. It was not until August 13, 2021 that the court's order was invalidated. A unanimous panel of the appellate court ruled that EP's due process rights were violated by failure to notify him that the final hearing would take place virtually instead of in a court facility listed in the ex parte order. Citing case law, the court observed that procedural due process requires both fair notice and real opportunity to be heard at a meaningful time in a meaningful manner. The lack of proper notice deprived EP of his right to be heard, and accordingly the order was reversed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below about this story. And if you enjoyed the video, or if I gave you some information you didn't know, please take time to like, share, and subscribe, and hit those post notifications. And I will see you in the next video.